So welcome and let's go ahead and jump right into our lecture 3. So we just got done talking about availability check. In our third step within order to cash business process, we have outbound delivery document that is created during third step. So outbound delivery document basically it serves as a central object that supports the entire delivery process. And when I talk about delivery process, I'm talking about shipping activities like picking, packing, transportation, and goods issue. So it controls, supports, and monitors the sub-process within shipping process. Creation of outbound delivery document is the start of the shipping process within order to cash processes. So there's entire big order to cash processes, but within those, three of those processes are considered the shipping process. And like we talked about earlier, document flow and all the documents are linked. So a lot of the information from sales order, like quantity and material, are copied over directly to outbound delivery document as well. Creation of outbound delivery document, it starts the shipping process, and those shipping process, what are involved in shipping process are three things: creating delivery document, which is outbound delivery document, pick and packing, and then finally posting goods issue. Those three are considered shipping process of the sales and distribution or order to cash process. And in addition to those information like quantity and material, outbound delivery documents can also have like a purchase order date. It can actually have the actual quantity delivered against the sales order, and it can also contain time of delivery. So how can outbound, or what are the ways that outbound delivery documents can be created? And this could potentially lead to a very good multiple choice questionnaire here. So outbound delivery documents can be created by first referencing a sales order that we had, or it can also reference a stock transport order. It can reference a subcontract order. It can reference a project, or it could be created without any reference. I highly suggest that you memorize these. This could definitely be something that I would ask if I was giving out some sort of a quiz to my students. Few other facts: outbound delivery document, it can be created automatically by the system or manually, and it can include complete or partial order or combination of orders. So when we say partial or complete or order combinations, we're talking about, so some of the outbound delivery document, maybe we don't have certain products, it's on back order. So we can maybe ship out one part, one portion of it, or maybe we ship out 6 out of 10. That could be your partial orders. Or you could have all the products and you could send out complete order, or you could also have order combination, which means that maybe you had partial from some other order, or you had entire order or enough quantity to cover two different orders. Whatever the combination it may be, is that customer placing two different orders, we're able to combine it within outbound delivery document to send it in one delivery. So one thing though, in order for us to combine the orders, there has to be some criteria that meet. So the shipping point has to be the same, which means it's got to ship out of the same warehouse. And then due date has to be same, and ship to address has to be same. Because if ship to address is different, then obviously you can't have one outbound delivery document going to two different locations. In that case, you would actually have two separate outbound delivery documents. So that wouldn't make sense. So in order for us to combine orders, we would have to have these three things in common. So that basically wraps up the outbound delivery document. We know what it is now. Some of the things to wrap up quickly is that it basically monitors specific activities within the shipping process. We know what shipping processes are made up by, and outbound delivery document can have partial order, full order, or multiple different type of orders as well. And it is our third step within order to cash business process. So basically, outbound delivery document, it starts the logistic execution for the shipping process, which is basically your physical movement of goods from procuring from raw material through finally sending out the finished product. So to finalize on this particular section, we know on the lecture one, the step one was sales order. Then we followed by availability check to see whether we have the equipment or not. And then outbound delivery document is created where we stand at this point. And then next section will be picking slash packing, but we call it picking. And then after that, followed by posting goods issue, transportation, billing, and payment process. So again, thanks for tuning into the video, and I will catch you on the next section. Thanks.